And for day 7, we have a nice bright primary red. However, for some reason, I either forgot how to camera or my camera had a small scale seizure. But yeah, either way, the beginning of this picture, which was me drawing in the large red section this image is made up of, for some reason is nowhere to be found on my camera. So, sorry, you don't get to see that part. Don't worry, it wasn't very interesting. Just a bright red blob, mostly. But, so yeah, the only thing I could think of with the winter holidays just around the corner was a bright red cardinal sitting on an evergreen branch. However, I couldn't color the evergreen branch, green, so it's drawn in black. It's kind of like one of those images you see sometimes where the majority of it is black and white, but then one bright color is there for contrast and to make the image pop out from the page. Or at least that's what I was going for. I really like to draw birds, actually. I don't do it very often, though. Especially not with such a bright, blocky medium. Because I kind of think it would look strange and cartoony, unlike when I usually watercolor them, but actually I don't mind how this one turned out. He looks realistic enough that it's not like Woody the Woodpecker's cousin or something, but it still has that sort of blocky, stylized shape. I think the black and white sketch of the pine branches and pine needles probably helps to sell the realism a tad bit more as well. I put a lot of detail into that part because I didn't want it to look too plain, and I really wanted you to be able to tell what it was easily, which I hope I accomplished. With that, there's red. Check. Done. See you tomorrow for the next one.